doing this started killing my back and my legs and hands for some reason. Hi, and welcome back. I think this morning we're gonna get the inner tub. Bought another one of these, so it shouldn't take very long. This may not be a long video. Getting out here before work. Kind of went and saw lights last night with the family, and didn't get back. I didn't feel like coming out after we got back home, so we're gonna do this morning. Got a little bit of time. It's about 6:30, so we'll get the tub ground down with this, and maybe try to get a little bit on the insides. In the next video, we'll try to get the insides and maybe paint if we can get that far. Hope everybody has a happy and safe Thanksgiving. I know we're going out of town, so we'll be on the road. But anyways, let's get over there and I'll show you what we're doing. So tonight, we're gonna use our new disc here and just strip this tub down. Probably use a wire wheel around the bottom and then these grooves here. And if we get all that done, then I may move to the inside of these and these flat spaces here at this disc. Try to get all that ground down too. And then hopefully by next time, which will be Friday, we'll grind the rest of it off or down as much as we need to and spray it like this side. Get all in that flat black. But my main goal is the tub, and we'll see what we can get from there. Let's get to work. Well, we got it done for the most part. It took way too long. A lot longer than I expected. Actually, I need to go work right now. I think next time we'll get in here, get all that best we can. Might need to break that up and do videos because doing this started killing my back and my legs and hands for some reason. But I do think we need a new wire wheel that maybe reaches a little bit further. But yeah, I didn't think it turned out too bad. It has some dings you can tell right there, and right through here. It's pretty dinged up, but I think it'll look good once it's painted. Well, that's gonna do it for me today. Hope y'all have a happy Thanksgiving. See you next time.